Hello, dear friends. Welcome to my channel, Mindfulness with Pratibha. I am a Ho'oponopono healer, and you will find all the videos related to Ho'oponopono, manifestation, and numerology because I deal everything in these areas, and you will find all the videos related to this. And if you're new to the channel, please check out my videos. You will find everything there and that will help you add value to it, and you can practice them all the Ho'oponopono thing. And if you are interested to be a part of my daily sessions, Ho'oponopono sessions, which I take it in a deep way, and there are more other techniques involved in Ho'oponopono, then you are welcome to join the link that I've provided in the description box. So let's get started with our topic today. So friends, friendship is all about the joy, understanding, fun, laughter. Then again, it's about supporting each other, isn't it? But some friendships become very toxic and they are not good for us and other person too. And because of the negativity that has happened in the friendship, all the misunderstandings that is there don't allow us to grow or maybe have better connections in our life, and this drains our energy lot, and we are overthinking about this relationship and cannot move forward for the good. So let's do Ho'oponopono for the toxic friendship that is there in the life, and let's remove all the negativity, all the negative emotions, and let's have better connections in our life. And this has to be mutual. So let's get started. Let's remove all the negativity and by doing Ho'oponopono today. So let's get started. So first of all, relax your energy, take a deep breath, and place your hands on your heart and start saying, I take 100% responsibility for whatever negativity that is happening between me and my friend. I'm sorry, dear universe, for all the hurt that I have attracted in this relationship, in my friendship, that is causing very toxic negativity towards me and my friend. I'm really sorry, universe, for putting any negative energy from my side which has created this negative feelings, negative thoughts, and anger or misunderstanding in our friendship. Please forgive me for any hurtful moments that has experienced in this relationship which is not allowing me to have better connections in my life. I'm sorry. Please forgive me, my dear friend, if ever I have said something wrong and believed or taken action that has made you feel negative or made you feel so angry towards me and our friendship. Please forgive me. Please forgive me, dear universe, for not understanding this relationship, and because of the verbal thing that we have communicated or the actions we have done, and the trust issue that were not good for us, the trust issue, the betrayed thing that we maybe have done. I'm really sorry, and I want to forgive that anything that has caused very negative in this relationship, in our friendship. Please forgive me. Please forgive me that I was one of the person who made you feel angry, frustrated, and not up to the mark that you may have want it. So please forgive me. But I thank you, universe, for guiding me, for healing me, and showing me the path that I should be healed and also feel good about my friend, my friendship. So thank you, my dear friend, for the good moments that we had, and I will cherish it. Thank you for allowing me from the universe that I am healing this, and I want to heal myself. I want to remove all the negativity towards you, and I wish all the best to you, and also want to move on from this friendship because that's the best thing I think we right now need it. So thank you, my dear friend, for being part of my life and showing me the correct way right now. Thank you, dear universe, for guiding me, supporting me, and also allowing all the goodness in me and removing all the negativity towards my friend, towards this relationship. I love myself. I love my friend too, and I wish him all the best to carry out his life in the best thing. And also I will move on because it is best right now, instead of this toxic feeling for each other, betraying each other, and also creating negativity towards each other. It's best thing that we take a break right now and move on to better connections, better friendships. And when we are both realizing in our life, in further life, we can be friends once more. But until then, I want to give a space to this friendship. I want to create that space. I want to give this a break so that I move on, he moves on, or she moves on, and we are peaceful in this relationship instead of creating toxic things in our life, in our career, in our relationship, and mentally, physically, we are not allowing some good things to happen. So thank you, your dear universe. Thank you, my dear friend. Thank you, dear friendship. I release all the negativity from myself, my side, and I wish all the very best to you for whatever you do in your life. And I will also do the best things that is required right now. So thank you, dear universe, for telling me this, for guiding me and blessing my friend and blessing me, both of us in our and both the relations that we had. So thank you, dear universe. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. So take a deep breath and release all the negative emotion that comes to your mind when you visualize your friend or the relationship that you have in this friendship that you have. If it is toxic, if it is making you feel angry, frustrated, or betrayed, or it is draining out your energy, it's better that you take the thing forward, speak to the friend, and just move on peacefully and create harmony right now in the relationship, so that nobody is angry on each other, and you move on, he moves or she moves on peacefully, and you have better connections, better things coming up in your life, in your friends, in your relationship. Hope this is a valuable video. This makes sense. And whenever you feel that you have something wrong in the friendship area, please come back to this video. Do this Ho'oponopono session for that relationship of your friendship and release all the negativity from your side. So thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you want to have more deep Ho'oponopono healing, I'm there to help you. You can join my WhatsApp link and be the part of Ho'oponopono sessions that I take regularly. So thank you for watching once again. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.